Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rajeev Tiwari. Welcome to my LifePage. Today I will talk about cloud computing. Before that, let me introduce myself. I am cloud professional, presently in UPES at the position of associate professor, having more than 13 years of experience. But this journey is not that much simple. From my schooling side, then I went to the college and I did my BTech, MTech from Kushetra University. Then I did my PhD from Thapa University, Patiala. I served in various organizations also, like MMEC Mullana, Haryana Engineering College, Jagadhri. Then from last 6 years, I am here in UPES, and now I am at the position of associate professor in virtualization and cloud computing domain. So cloud computing is a model or platform for all the users and the company persons. Any organization can use it because it is of such a use that we need not to have any infrastructure at our own side, while we can take advantage of infrastructure from the cloud service providers. It is ubiquitous computing, that means it's present everywhere. We can make use of it using Web 2.0. You need to have the knowledge of operating system concepts. In operating system concept, you need to know how that memory management works, how that processes works, because in cloud computing, all such kind of development you need to do. So after that, you need to know about the computer networks and their protocols and other stuff, whole OSI layers, all 7 layers of the OSI and TCP/IP protocols, 4 layers. And mainly, you need to work onto the network layer and the transport layer and their protocols. Network design, because cloud computing is purely based on the network designs. So any requirement you need to map, you need to design them onto the networks. So I will recommend the professionals to learn the network designing through some tools. You can use certain simulators for your learning onto the network designing side. Then you can use some sniffer tools like Wireshark or some packet tracer tool you can use so that your network skills can be enhanced. There are very big names which are the market leaders presently in this profession, like Amazon, which is the market leader nowadays in cloud computing. So you will get a chance to work with the market leaders, Amazon. Then we have Google into the business. You can work with the Google also. Then you can have Microsoft in the league. You can also get a chance to work with the Microsoft. So their products are prominent, and you may get a chance in your career to work with such giant companies in such career. Dynamic requirements of the companies. Being a cloud professional, you has to be onto the edges for making the changes. One day you have deployed certain configurations for a company, then next day they have got some other kind of projects or some other kind of software development environment. So you need to create such kind of environment for that company. I reached the university at 9 a.m. From 9 to 9:30, it's a review time for my all the projects with my all students and scholars. In a day, I do generally take 2 or 3 project reviews in the morning time. From the 9:30 onwards, I start my day, which goes with many teaching and project development activities. Major task is of the project development and the teaching. So teaching my subjects in the cloud computing and then designing the projects with the students throughout the day. So projects are again being in the field of virtualization and cloud computing deployments. There are certain platform development kind of projects, and there are certain software development kind of projects on the cloud platform. Throughout the day, I remain busy with all these activities and designing such kind of projects. And then towards the end of the day, like 5:30, I return back home, and then 1.5 hour, I do put up onto the freelancing softwares in this field, as it is on the edging technology side. So a lot of demand is there on the freelancing sites also. So I do certain solutions on the freelancing sites, like providing some business solution on the cloud platforms on the Amazon. Then at the time of 8 to 8:30, that is again fixed for checking my emails and other stuff. if any requirement is being raised by my scholars or my team persons for any solutions, I do respond them. So that's all for my day. So at the last, what I feel, I have given a balanced overview on the cloud computing. Thank you.